Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents, and we let you take it from there. All right, we are back June 2nd. Supreme Court opinion relating to an order, Snope v. Brown. Alrighty, we have a double dissenting opinion for you today in relation to the case Snope v. Brown. On June 2nd, 2025, the Supreme Court declined to hear the case of David Snope v. Anthony G. Brown, which challenged Maryland's statewide ban on AR-15 rifles. The court denied the petition for certiorari, meaning it will not review the Fourth Circuit's ruling that upheld the ban. Just so we are clear, there only needs to be 4 justices that agree to hear a case. In this case, it seems that Alito, Gorsuch, and Thomas wanted to hear the case, but fell short at just 3 votes. The case centers around the state of Maryland banning the sale and possession of AR-15 style semi-automatic rifles under its criminal code. Lawsuits were filed claiming this is a violation of the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals, however, upheld the ban, reasoning that AR-15s are not arms protected by the Second Amendment. The Circuit Court said that AR-15s are dangerous and unusual weapons and thus not protected. Justice Kavanaugh and Justice Thomas both wrote dissents on the denial. Kavanaugh did not vote to hear the case, but basically said that the Supreme Court should hear one of the similar cases that are currently working their way through the courts. Justice Thomas, however, is strongly disagreeing, saying that the court should take the case right now. Justice Thomas points out that there is something called the common use test from a precedent case, District of Columbia v. Heller, that basically says if a weapon is commonly owned by law-abiding citizens, it is protected. So Thomas points out that millions of law-abiding citizens already own AR-15s, which should make a ban on them unlawful. He also generally disagrees with the dangerous and unusual classification, again citing how common they are, while criticizing the overall impact on the Second Amendment bans like these could possibly cause. But for now, the Maryland ban on AR-15s remains in place. However, there will most likely be another case involving AR-15 bans heard within the next year or two, so buckle up for that. All right, that's it for this one. Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. We'll see you in a little bit.